Napakawalang hiya nung tao na yun, Mr. Chair. Bigla ba niya naman sinabi, tingnan niyo yung mukha ni Marcoleta kung matatawa kayo.
Gigisahin kita rito, makinig kang vice ganda ka dahil salot ka sa lipunan. Kung nandito ka lang sa susungal-ngaling kung mukha mo, makinig ka.
It took superstar comedian Vice Ganda just 2 words to break and expose the DDS, or deranged Duterte fanatics.
Nothing beats a jet ski holiday. Right now, from Manila to West Philippine Sea via jet ski.
Jet ski. Yep. That very simple, very cutesy, very demure, and harmless parody bit from Vice Ganda was enough to make Duterte's political cult snap. They totally lost it. Pero in reality, si Vice Ganda pa ang nag-expose sa kanila.
Ano ang feelings mo na nadadamay na rin ng nanay mo?
Tatatarin namin kayo ng mga comment. Hindi namin kayo tatantanan.
What about we change your name from Vice Ganda to Vice Pangit?
Imagine, dalawang salita lang. The DDS willingly exposed themselves as a bunch of violent, hateful, and vile cry-bullies.
Proud ka na kinukonsinti ka ng nanay mo na meron kang sinuchopaelya habang binabayaran mo pa.
And their arrogant call to boycott all of Vice Ganda's shows and endorsements simply means one thing. We're in a culture war in the Philippines.
Boycottin natin lahat ng pelikula ni Vice Ganda, wag natin panonoorin kahit yung show niya.
Whether you like it or not, admit it or not, this is a culture war declared by the DDS.
Get unlimited water bombing from Chinese vessels and free trip to The Hague by the ICC. Promo applies to DDS only. Big towns and BBMs are prohibited.
So minabuti naming i-compile lahat ng pinaka-deranged na DDS rants and anti-Vice Ganda posts that really exposed the Duterte cult. Hindi lang sila galit. Yung iba nagbabanta, some are faking outrage, and most don't even know why they're mad. They're just mad kasi in their little minds, Vice Ganda's jet ski bit mocked their god.
Na minamak niya si Tatay Digong.
None other than Rodrigo Duterte, who's currently detained in The Hague for crimes against humanity.
Natutukuyan po natin dito sa boycott ay walang iba kundi itong nambastos kay Tatay Digong. Nambastos, wag na po tayo magpatumpik-tumpik.
The DDS say binastos at binahura ni Vice Ganda ang kanilang poon. When, where, what, how, paano.
Alam mo gaano ako kababoy? Direct nila yung lahat ng babae. Tinignan ko yung muka. Sayang nito na pag nagalit ako, dapat ang mayor muna ang mauna.
For simply reminding us of Duterte's biggest budol o kasinungalingan during the 2016 campaign period.
Sa libo-libong dumalo sa town hall, isa ang mangingisdang si Carlo Montehermoso sa mga mapalad na nakapagtanong sa mga kandidato.
Ano po ba ang pwede niyong gawin para sa aming mangingisda upang matulungan kami na hindi itaboy ng Chinese Coast Guard at para pamingwit kami ng mabuti na mapayapa?
Nangibabaw ang sagot noon ni dating Davao City Mayor at ngayon Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte.
Pupunta ako sa China. Ngayon, pag ayaw nila, then I will ask the Navy to bring me to the nearest boundary dyan sa Spratly, Scarborough. Bababa ako, sasakay ako ng jet ski, dala-dala ko yung flag ng Pilipino at pupunta ako doon sa airport nila, tapos itanim ko. Then I would say, this is ours.
Remember, Duterte admitted his jet ski joke was just for campaigning.
Pero nitong Lunes, inihayag ni Duterte na biro lang ang kanyang sagot sa seryosong isyu ng West Philippine Sea.
Uy, kulit, barbado. Yung barbado ko, pure campaign joke.
Meaning, he lied to his own voters. He didn't actually mean to fight for our independence and EEZ against China. At yung taong nagtanong noon at naloko into voting for him in 2016, he later regretted his vote.
Binalikan ng ABS-CBN News si Mang Carlo at bakas sa kanyang tono ang labis na pagkadismaya, lalo't kabilang siya sa mga bumoto kay Duterte.
Nagsinungaling naman sila sa amin, hindi naman yung tinupad yung kanya, yung sinabi niya sa amin. Dapat, hindi yung joke na sabihin niya, gawin niya yung sinabi niya sa akin noon. Para hindi naman kayo magmukhang tanga dun sa Scarborough na ganito yung ginagawa sa amin.
So sino ba talaga ang mas bastos, mas balahura, at mas dangerous? Hindi ba si Duterte?
Ingon sila nga, daghang rape ang Davao. Daghang kwapa, daghang rape, yun na. So, nagkagunit itong armas. Musa, fighter gano'n, Amazona, silas bisong, karon di mo. Silo na mo bisong, karon, wala bisong, wala may silbi. Mamatay ako pag walang babae. Ma'am, bakit ayaw mong tumingin sa akin?
Hindi lang siya bastos at balahurang mangkanor, traidor pa siya.
Kung sakali ma-byuda ka, pwede mo akong usipin. Dapat may reserba. Who is this stupid kan? Stupido talaga itong putang akong ganun.
Vice Ganda's simple and harmless jet ski joke made millions laugh, while Duterte's boodle jet ski joke fooled millions and technically sold our nation to China. It's as simple as that. Hindi yan magets ng Duterte cult kasi mga bobo at salot silang lahat.